potential customers or existing customers are concerned about three things: quality, delivery, and price. Quality to us is the ability to pay attention to small details. It's at the forefront of what we do. Delivery, we measure our on-time delivery ourselves, whether a customer does or not. Price, we deliver the most value. Partnering with our customers has driven us to invest in our company, invest in our people, and continue to grow in industry sectors that we have not always been in. We're doing things here that other shops struggle with. As an example, we recently invested in a piece of equipment that a customer reached out to us for that no other supplier had, and we stepped up and purchased it. Quality is the reason why we win new business. It's at the forefront of what we do.